Hello viewers, Aslam Manzoor here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your AI system to sell local businesses and how you can make offer. I will show you and how you can outreach them and make $10,000 per month. So let me dive in video without wasting time. So first of all, what we need to do, we will find to the leads we are going to sell to our AI system. So in my case, I just write plumber in New York. So I just found a business that have already websites. So for example, this guy have already website. I just open this and we will check another guy as well. This guy also have website. So what we need to do, it's a super easy. We can say that that's a website. Okay, and yeah, that's a website. So simply what we can do, we can just simply say that we can press Control U from our system. I just simply press Control U, and after that what we need to do, simply copy this whole code. Like I will say that I just copy this code, and after that I just simply go back into our GoHighLevel system. And you know, we have GoHighLevel system already built. GoHighLevel is a CRM where you can make all things like AI automations, your websites, funnels, and everything. So without wasting time, I just log in into my sub account in GoHighLevel, and I just go into the site section. So here what we can do, we just go into the website section, create new websites. So in my case, I will say that plumber test, and I just keep this. So simply we can add page here, and for example we say that home, we'll say home as well. Both, I just simply create the plus button. We can say that create blank. What we can do, we can put a column with a tag, and here we will add another widget, and we'll say that HTML. Okay, HTML, and we just copy the code here. Just click on it, and after that here you remember we have copied all these code from here. I just simply go here and paste this code and save it, and after that I save it here, and we can save that. We can preview this, and here you can see we have complete website as we have here. Yes, as we have here, this website we have found from here in Google, and right now we have complete website here. So what we can do, we will implement chatbot here. It's a super easy. I just save it, and I just go back, and I just go to the setting. So in my case, I already have chat already designed. I just simply say that all in one chat widget and save it, and after that simply by the way, if you want to learn how to create chatbot for your websites and how you can implement on your websites, you can watch my another video on my same channel. So I just simply refresh this, and after that you can see here we have chatbot. Chatbot will do a live chat or a live chat via live chat and via emails and SMS, and they can book appointment as well. So if you want to book appointment, it can book appointment, it can send reminders, it will take all information. That's basically AI system that work and that can book your leads and everything, and your customers, you're not going to lose any lead. That's how you can make a chatbot. And after that you can make just Loom video, or you can say that you can just simply go on a Loom. Now this, we can say that loom.com, and simply you can record this video, this whole video, and send to this client, and you can say that hey, we have chatbot system. You can send on their number, on their emails, and you can say that hey, we have just built chatbot system for you. You are not going to lead any lead in further in future. So here is a free of cost chatbot Loom video where we are a demo, where we are going to show you all things step by step. So that's how you can sell them chatbot to local customer. Like you will on daily basis, you will send them 10 emails, and believe me, it's a huge conversion rate. We are also making ton of money for using this technique. And by the way, if you want to learn about this whole system, how to make chatbots and everything, you can book free consultation here. You can go leadsflex.com, link in description box below. And if you want to buy any templates, website templates or funnels templates, so you can go to funnelflex.io. Here we have a lot of templates, so you can buy templates here, and we can, so it's a super cheap, only $49 you can buy here, and you can utilize into your GoHighLevel system. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's meet in our next video.